We are on
Hi.
air.
Hi, everybody. Good evening. Have a good day for America. And today we make first demonstration on virtual facilitation. And me, I'm Svetlana Solomatova. I'm head of ICA Ukraine. And ICA Ukraine is part of global organization. And I want to say hi from Ukraine, each of ICA in the world. And I want to send message to everybody that we are together with you and we share your values and we understand ICA mission. And today we demonstrate how we can use sticky wall for virtual facilitation. And first of all, I want and I ask everybody in this video room to say a couple words about yourself, name, country, where are you from, and for example, what's your lovely thinking?
What's my what?
What's your lovely thinking?
My lovely thinking?
Yes. And who wish to be first?
I'll start.
Okay.
Yes, Stepan Stepanich. I'm Steve Harrington. Most of the year, I live in Costa Rica. One thing that I love about my life in Minnesota, which is where I am right at this moment, is my new baby granddaughter, who I just saw yesterday. She is so small. It is. I am just so surprised at what a small bundle of human being she is. But it was very fun to see her last night.
Thank you, Steve. And Evgeny?
Hello, my name is Eugene. I'm a co-founder of ICA Ukraine. I know you as Svetlana probably more than anybody here in this room. And I'm a public servant and I live in Ukraine. So that's it.
Thank you. And what about your lovely thinking?
Well, frankly, I don't know what's lovely thinking, but I don't know. I just maybe what do I love? I like I love when I love talking to smart people. So that's my lovely. Let me.
And Sergey, what about you? Sergey?
Hello, my name is Sergey Sukhabochenko. I live in Ukraine, Yevpatoria, Crimea. I director NGO. Thank you.
What about your lovely thinking? О чем ты любишь думать больше всего?
Oh, internet.
Thank you. And Yuri?
Hello everyone, I'm Yuri Antashuk. I'm from Ukraine, Kherson. What lovely thinking. You know, I don't like think because there are many information every day, so I love like just sit and don't think in anything. Just it's too many thinking all day.
Interesting. Wendell?
I'm Wendell Rayfior. I'm in Boston, in the United States. I am a part of the ICA Global Archives project with Steve and attended the 2 weeks in Chicago, spring and fall. And my lovely thinking is that by reflection of our youth, what the task of our aging population, including myself and Steve, is to share our wisdom and do it now. And like Steve says, telling stories. So that we shall do. Tell you stories.
Thank you, Wendell. And close to me, my husband, Vladimir.
I'm Vladimir. I'm part of ICA Ukraine. And what I love to do, it's difficult to tell. Not to quarrel with my wife.
Thank you, Vladimir. And I'm Svetlana. I am from Ukraine, and my love is thinking about why people don't understand each other and how I can help to protect these things. And thank you. And today we are talking about sticky wall and lean resource for facilitators. And I will be glad that if ICA Ukraine will help everybody in the world and make facilitation easier. And Yuri make short presentation how to use the sticky wall. And Yuri.
Thank you, Svetlana. So let's talk a little bit about Linoit, the great online tool for our collaboration, and I will show you the sticky wall. Do you see it? The sticky wall? Now I'm showing you.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Yes.
So
I also have a sticky wall in a different window.
Юра, еще
Да.
в отдельном окне есть. Ну, нам сейчас нужно видеть в отдельном окне или...
Ну, я сейчас показываю sticky wall на экране. Видно, да?
So now we will see sticky wall on the screen and Yuri makes short presentation.
I just show what can we do with this sticky wall. So the liner is a great tool for collaboration and online working on different projects, for brainstorming sessions, for developing a business models and so on. So we can use Liner for online trainings, for example, by using online wall like a flip chart, attaching different color stickers and something writing on them, for example,
Hi.
hi. Hi, for example, hi. How are you? And so on. We can change the font of our text. We can change color. We can change icon of this sticky. For different sticks we can use different icons, and we can choose different colors of stick and post them on our online wall. We can post the photos, or we can post a video from YouTube, from Vimeo, or from Ustream. Even we can post live stream from Ustream. And of course, we can attach to our sticky wall different files. For example, Office docs, spreadsheets, PDF, or it could be presentations and other types of files, and everyone can download these files. For different projects or goals, we always can create new canvas and switch easily between them. All our canvas sticky walls will be shown on this wall, so we can easily switch between them and work on all of these canvases.
Yuri, I have a question.
Yes.
And it means that we can lead couple groups at the same moment. То есть мы можем одновременно несколько групп вести, да, на стене?
Yes, we can. And for example, what can we do more with these sticky walls? As I already say, we can work together on some business models. For example, we can upload Osterwalder business model. Probably you know what this model. I will show you. One moment, please. Probably you know this business model canvas.
Yes.
So we can upload this canvas to our sticky wall and work together on this model, and I will show you how it could be. One moment. For example, this is on Russia, but the work with this model the same. As you can see, different sticks, and we work on this canvas together with our partners, so you can do it easily too.
Yuri, can I ask a question?
Yes.
So, if I understand, the business canvas becomes the sticky wall, and then you can just put stickies on the canvas. Is that right?
Yes, you're perfectly right. And or you can upload the, for example, world map or the map of your city and further already work with it. I will show you how we can do it. So we can choose background of our sticky wall. This is a few already different backgrounds, and we can upload an image. So we can upload the, for example, business model canvas, or we can upload a map or something else and work together on this canvas, like we did a few months ago, working together on this business model.
Yes.
Okay. Also, if we use the Google Hangouts on air, as it is now we do, people can watch our work through YouTube, Google+, Twitter, and other web resources. And they can join the discussion by posting to us their comments and questions through Google+ or YouTube. And I think this is a great opportunities for our work. What do you think about that? Yes.
It seems to me that people directly involved in the Hangout can share a sticky wall and also type simultaneously on the sticky wall. Is that right?
Yes, yes. And even more, if you do not have to broadcast your work, for example, and you have to work on a project by a team of more than 10 people, for example, because the Google Hangouts on Google Hangouts only 10 people could work together, like we are working now. So people can use Hangouts for business software, the special online software for organizing online education. And Hangouts for business is much cheaper than, for example, Blackboard or Adobe Connect, and with its advantages. So, but that all should speak separately. And today we have a different theme, Liner, and I tried to show you how we can use this tool.
One more short question.
Yes.
If let's say there are 20 people who want to work together, it seems like they could listen and talk to each other on YouTube broadcast, and they could do work on a shared sticky wall at the same time. Is that right?
Yes, yes, you're right. Some people, for example, could work on sticky wall. Some people could just watching through YouTube or Google Plus and comment all this work. There are so many different kinds of collaboration, so I even don't know how.
Okay.
Any possibility?
Somebody have a question? More questions? No.
Wendell, do you have a question?
No question.
No question.
No question.
Okay. And Nikolai join us. And let's demonstrate shortly consensus, how we can do consensus using sticky wall. What do you think, Steve?
Yes, let's do.
Yuri, let's demonstrate how to do it. And now I open my wall.
Сейчас я покажу, сейчас.
And
1 second, please. I will show
and
sticky
I can
wall.
show.
Okay. How the team of.
And now you see sticky wall, and you can open sticky wall separately of Google Hangout also. You can open your wall, and we start from question: how COP change your life? And maybe we don't ask this question right now, because maybe I ask this question later, because now, but we was going to have a meeting 10 minutes, and now we talk more than 10 minutes. And our general idea and my idea is to show consensus. And question for consensus for today: how would a team of curators use a sticky wall in a Google Hangout? And now I ask each of the participants in this room think about this question a little bit, and put 5 stickers, 5 ideas, and use this one color. Let's do it blue. Now I show you. one sticker, and one idea in post-it place. You can use Russian also if it's difficult to type English.
Это сейчас, да, мы должны?
Да.
So how could we use this liner sticky wall on our work? Am I right?
Yes. Yes. Можете на русском писать.
Lists of...
Do you have a question about question?
Do I have to have a separate link for this Linoit? Because I don't know where to work.
Evgeny, you can type in the chat, put your idea to the chat, and I put it in the sticky wall because you didn't register before.
Oh. Okay.
And put your ideas directly to chat.
Thank you.
Окей.
Светлана, а ссылку ты давала, да?
Евгений не зарегистрировался, поэтому он в чат будет идею давать, а кто-то перенесет это на... Я перенесу на sticky wall.
Не, я имею в виду... У меня есть доступ, да, к этому?
Светлана,
думаю, нет. Сереж, думаю, нет.
Ну,
Yes.
I made a mistake on one of my stickies. How do I correct it?
I can show how you can edit. If on the right corner, bottom right corner, you can see edit. When you press on it, you can change your text.
Yeah.
If you want, you can rotate your sticky.
I see.
Or you can just delete your sticky, peel off, pressing peel off, or copy to another canvas.
Wendell, are you? Do you have a sticky wall up? Can you make changes? Can you make stickies?
I, as administrator of this sticky wall, I can change, for example, your sticky or somebody else's sticky.
Wendell, can you hear me?
I'm looking for where to write. I press on. There's a demonstration for curators. I see a work area. There it is. Well, I mean, he pressed that, but I'm trying to see what button to press to get into one.
Светлана, тут приглашенные только вы, я, Сергей и Стив. Даже Сергей тут не приглашен. Вам надо отправить приглашение.
Wendell, I think if you are on the sticky wall, in the upper right-hand corner of the sticky wall is a supply of stickies. If you click on one of those colors, you can move the sticky over and start typing.
I did see that once, and there I'm back again. Or he's back again, but I see it, but I have to move it. Is that? Do I drag it?
Yeah, you click and drag a sticky from the sticky stack and put it onto the corkboard, onto the sticky wall.
I see that you can do it. I don't see that I can do it yet, but I'll see what I'm doing if I can. So anyway,
well, we don't have to belabor the point,
No.
Svetlana. I think Wendell and I can practice on a different sticky wall at a different time. Are there other things that you would like to show us about the consensus method?
I show you. Maybe we use only 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4. Now we have 4 ideas on the wall.
Mm-hmm.
Have everybody seen it?
Yes.
I
You
read.
see it? You see it, Wendell?
Yes, I see it.
How would a team of curators use a sticky wall in a Google Hangout? To use in distance learning, collaborate on projects. The curator could provide an asset and ask for additional ideas of how to use it. Make lists of new team members for collection. And ask to everybody how we could, what kind of ideas we can put together. For example, to use in distance learning, collaborate on projects, make list of new team members for collection, and the curator could provide an asset to ask for additional ideas of how to use it.
Say what you're thinking, Svetlana.
Me?
Yes.
Facilitator never think. Group is thinking. I have special law, facilitator law. Never think a lot. Okay, and could you find one group?
Oh,
to
find a
distance
group.
learning?
Пару-две карточки. Какие карточки одинаковые? Близкие посмотрим.
Maybe distance learning goes with collaboration.
Collaboration.
Collaboration
Yes.
project. Okay.
So you put them together, is that the idea?
I put it together, don't touch.
Oh, don't touch. She says, okay, I won't touch.
I'm facilitator today.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Ukraine is leading this process.
I see this.
Okay, and we have to use in distance learning and collaborate on projects, one group. And can we separate other group? Make list of new team members for collection. And everybody understand what does it mean? Make list of new team members for collection. It is understandable for everybody?
Mm-hmm.
The curator could provide an asset to ask for additional ideas of how to use it. Which group will be separate from first one?
Probably two different goals. Different.
And difference, yes. And now we have 2 groups or 3 groups. What do you think? We have 2 separate ideas or 3 separate directions.
What do you say, Wendell?
Right now I see 3, but it's good to just have put 2 of them together to demonstrate.
And why we can use 3, why not? It's no problem for us. And let's name first group. Let's let's put it tag.
Right.
Let's put a tag for first group.
Caption.
Somebody has an idea? Picture?
Caption for first group.
Название для первой группы. Ideas?
Learning in projects.
Everybody agree?
Online work, probably. Online work or something else. Something like this.
Online collaboration.
Online collaboration.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm for online collaboration.
Who won?
Yes, one.
Done. Online collaboration. And next one. Make list of new team members for collection.
Members for a collection.
Well, I think it maybe, I wrote it, so it maybe has to do with growing the team, growing the online team.
Growing online team.
Expanding the community.
That's good.
Expanding community. Expanding community. Done. And third one. Decorative. Decorator could provide an asset and ask for additional ideas of how to use it.
So it seems like it has to do with improving the work or correcting the work or something.
I think it could be with the first group or not. Joint.
It's not joined with the first.
It could be or not.
It could be. It could be.
In fact, this is a online collaboration. We ask for additional ideas of how to use it, and probably after that we should answer for this question online or not. And if we ask for additional ideas for how to use it, and people could answer for this online, probably it could be joined to first group online collaboration or not.
I think it goes more like improving work than online collaboration, because the first column has the core idea that it's online and it's a collaboration, whereas the third group means has the idea of the improvement. Ask for the ideas. Maybe brainstorm.
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 Maybe resources.
Resources.
Resources for online collaboration.
Resources for online collaboration.
Yeah, I like that.
Hmm?
Yes. Well, yes, yes, well,
Does that make sense to you, Wendell?
yes.
I like the word building resources, people and assets. So building resources or some way that it's growing.
Build,
Building resources. Building resources, yes, no?
Okay.
Works for me.
Building resources.
building.
Maybe I make mistake in grammar.
It's not
It's not building, it's something different, maybe.
Oh,
I'm sorry. It will be for fun, with mistakes.
BU.
Да, building.
BU.
Yes, it's you. It should be you. Build it. Be you. Yes.
Why
And
does everything
I want to
always
say that people who watch us on Google Plus said us, hey, what's up?
Really?
Amjad Ali said, post a comment
BU.
to our Google Plus broadcasting, hey, what's up?
Uh-huh.
I.
Okay, maybe this is without mistake. I'm not sure. It's mistake also, I think. But anyway, everybody instead is building resources. And now we have online collaboration, 3 columns, online collaboration, expanding community, and building resources.
Number 2 is expanding with an A.
I'm sorry. But if I
It's
write
okay.
Russian, it will be without mistake. But I'm sorry for my English. I am not English woman.
Okay.
And shame of me, but I think you will be very very
Okay.
polite to me.
Wendell,
Now,
don't beat up on the facilitator. Be good to the facilitator. Don't be mean.
But if when everybody learn how sticky walls will work, it's easy to pass somebody function to type. When I make virtual facilitation, I ask somebody to type in a group. Usually, person who makes facilitation don't type by himself or herself.
Oh, so you ask, as a facilitator, you ask other people to do the typing. Is that right?
Yes, it helps to save time.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
And for example, if I ask you to type, you make it without mistake.
Make other
You'd be
mistakes.
surprised. You would be very surprised at some of the mistakes I can make.
But anyway, we show examples how to make consensus online right now.
Yes.
It's my first experience to make facilitation by English.
Yeah.
It's quite difficult for me, but it's very useful for everybody.
Great
And
experience.
Thank you.
And now I ask everybody in this video room to share your expression of today meeting. And first I ask maybe Sergey Сухобоченко. Сережа,
впечатление
Да,
Да, да, да.
сегодняшней
впечатление
встречи.
от сегодняшней встречи.
Весьма разнообразно.
Try to say English, maybe. Could you say English? Сережа. Говорите
Что?
по-русски, Володя переведет или я.
Ну, очень интересно,
It's very interesting
ну, и полезно.
and very useful.
Я рад находиться в очень умной и доброжелательной компании.
And I'm very glad to be among of smart, clever people and people who like kindness. Evgeny, yes, kindness people. How to say right?
Kind people.
Kind people, yes. And thank you. Eugene?
Well, I see the potential in it, and I don't know will all the stickies that the group might produce fit in on this the canvas, but I feel that it definitely has it definitely worth digging into it, and I also enjoyed a lot hanging out with you for a bit, and I love the humor that we put in this. So, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. And Steve, what about you? Do you have any feeling today?
Oh, you know, I initially I was worried that there was going to be no new thinking. That's always seems like my a value that I have is, could we do some new thinking? Could we invent something that no one has thought yet? And so I was worried for a little while until you started making the consensus activity, and then I saw new ideas, all kinds of new ideas. So I was really quite happy about that. And the other thing that I noticed is your light hand as a facilitator, how a little humor just helps tremendously. Even in two languages, it helps. So the third thing I saw was it seems like we could share this initial brainstorm with other people in the archives and ask them to add ideas. So it could be, it doesn't, I mean, it could happen. It could, what am I trying to say? The discovery of new ideas could continue.
Steve, I agree with you. When I make first facilitation, and my ideas was to still sticky wall open for everybody, and to put it, and I asked people to add ideas, and people did it. It's work. It's work. And Wendell, what about you?
I was very happy to see that our conversation, our talking, could be visual so we could see it on screen. And to me, that let each idea separate a little bit from the person, and then the group could discuss the idea by itself, and then group ideas and work on agreement. And all that was wonderful to be visual, to see it on the screen.
And thank you, Yuri. What about you? What's your expression?
Well, I'm glad to share experience and show you how you can use this great online tool like Lina and Sticky Wall. And of course, this is a good opportunity to practice English for me. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Yuri. And we have one more people in our room. Николай, say a couple of words if you wish. Николай, вы хотите что-то сказать? And who are you, first of all? Николай, switch on your microphone.
Я могу только сказать, что много чего я не понимал, что происходит, но мне...
I don't understand a lot.
Да, но мне очень хотелось что-нибудь написать на стике.
But I had very big expression to type something.
Но у меня не получилось, потому что у меня не было доступа.
But I couldn't do it because I didn't have access to the wall.
Я думаю, что в следующий раз мне разрешают что-нибудь написать.
And he has ideas and he has wishes to next time to have the opportunity to speak something. And thank you, Nikolai. And Nikolai is architect of Ukraine social community. He is a very good person. And I want to say thank you, everybody. And I learned today a lot. And first of all, my first expression is incredible things that people from Ukraine can make consensus and discuss important things for ICA-US. And we do it together, and we did it together. It's incredible things for, I think it's very, very important for ICA Global, because people from Nepal can work together with ICA in Belgium or ICA in France. And I think it's very, first of all, it's very save our money. We don't need to spend money for flight for everything, but I think it's very good for budget, and it's very good for people to talk heart to heart, to make consensus, not only using brain and using when we here together in Google Hangouts in this video room, we can think together and we can feel together. It's very important.
Svetlana, I would like to offer one thing. I will try to write a story, a short story of this session together, and I will do my best to put it in tragic Russian. Russian is not tragic. My Russian is tragic, and ask you to make my Russian better and share it with your colleagues. Okay?
Okay, certainly yes. And any help from our side, and you're welcome anytime to Google Plus Hangout, and you're welcome to be a guest in my program, ICA Ukraine hosted. And let's talk about TOP. Let's talk about TOP, the best TOP practice in the world. It will be useful for everybody. And let's make consensus together.
And we will speak on Russia.
And let's speak Russian, Spanish, English, Chinese, I don't know, any language. It's most important for people to understand each other.
Well, I would like to thank the Ukraine team for helping us learn how to do this and use your extra time on a Sunday evening to do this. So your enthusiasm for the future of your country is truly inspiring.
Thank you.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. But it's very important to make soft changes in the world together.
Yes.
And I propose next time to work with more than 10 people for trying to do this collaboration when 20 people, for example, or much more, because now we can do it because we're using a business hangouts, and let's try to do this like experience.
It's very interesting. Thank you, Yuri. And I want to ask Steve, can we provide this meeting with 20 people?
The short answer is yes. There maybe is a little longer answer that should go with the short answer, but not this. But not this moment.
Certainly, yes. We should prepare very, very good. Yes.
Yes.
Let's preparing and do it.
Yes, because as I already say, this platform, the business hangouts, is mostly similar to Adobe Connect or for like Blackboard, but it's more cheaper, and there are a lot of different opportunities to work with other online tools and much more, because we can live broadcast through internet, through YouTube and through Google Plus. So I think this is great opportunities for online learning, for online обучение. Education.
Yeah.
One thing that I love about this method is the face-to-face work gives a much richer expression. It is easier to express, to make expression suitable for human beings.
Certainly, yes, agree.
So I think this is a big innovation that ICA Ukraine and the Ukraine social community have come up with.
Thank you. And thank you, people from Institute of Creative Technology and the Ukraine social community.
Yes.
And I see Ukraine only follow their ideas.
I think I should also particularly thank the inspiration of Nikolai and Sergei as well.
Agree. Thank you. And thank you. See you next time. Okay?
Okay.
And let's do it together.
Okay.
Okay. Have a good day for everybody.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.